This recipe is for cinnamon roll waffles with cream cheese glaze. So for this one, it's pretty easy. You can buy, I have some of these split up already. You can buy a roll of cinnamon rolls in the refrigerator section at your store. It comes with some icing. And now I'm not going to do what the recipe calls for, which it calls for watering this down with milk and adding more powdered sugar. I feel like that's a lot, but if you like a lot, that's okay. So you're gonna take your cinnamon roll, and I've got one that's done here. I'm gonna pop this guy off and pop the other one in. Be a really good idea to make sure you spray this well with cooking spray. I did not. I'm going to put my next cinnamon roll in there, so you put that in your waffle iron and pull it down and pull it closed and let it cook. So here's one that I already have done, and if you would like to do the milk and the extra powdered sugar, you can. You can do pancake syrup. You can do a little bit of this icing that came along with it, and just let it sit in the middle and melt as it's still pretty hot. I have the other one cooking. It does not take very long for these to cook, so they can go pretty quickly. You can make these for breakfast, for a snack, for a meal, you can have breakfast for supper. My kids love to have that a lot. So this is it, and you can pick it up and eat it with your hands, but as it's melting it might get kind of messy, so you might want a fork. So if you enjoy this, let us know. If you have something else that you would like to put on top, you can put any kind of fruit on top and make this taste even better, or even skip the icing and do some whipped cream if you like whipped cream on top of your waffles or your pancakes. Let's check and see if this one's ready. Wants to stick to the top. Oh yeah, that one cooked really quick. See, they don't take very long to do. So you can go through a whole tube of cinnamon rolls real speedy quick. And that's it. Enjoy your cinnamon roll waffles with cream cheese icing.